Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today we are here with the topic of activity step. What are the activity steps in Primavera P6? How we will use this option? This option is located in Enterprise of Primavera P6 and how we will customize and use that option in Primavera P6 during the scheduling monitoring purposes. So let's move forward and open your Primavera P6 program of works where I have just created that schedule, sample schedule for the activity steps to know tell you peoples how we can use that activity step. Basically, these activity steps are where we will use when we add a main activity. Suppose in the design phase, I have just created four activities here: civil design, mechanical design, electrical design, instrumentation design, and as built. Which steps we will do to for the completion of civil design? Suppose there are layouts drawings, workshop drawings, approved drawings, and details of the sections. Suppose here in the construction I write here the foundation works drawing, walkways drawings, flooring works drawings, specifications, and each and everything which covers there. How we can monitor this one? Because we put in the schedule of works only one activity. On the back end there are too many activities. Suppose if there are 10 or 12 activities, then we have to give every activity 10 percentage, then it will be cumulative as a 100%. How we will do that? If we mention only one activity here and major activities in the schedule of works, we don't want to put a separate activities in our schedule of works, but we want to monitor actualize progress as per our activity steps which we will do to complete this major activity in Primavera P6. The option is located here in Enterprise. This is activity step template. This template is located here. You can add and delete from here. This is globally already entered and this is new. How we can also we can use this option from here. Go to the this detail, activity detail, and here go here, right click here, customize. Here you can see the steps option. Move this steps option to other end and apply. After the applying, you can see here now steps are here. The same system will be follow here like that. This one is our steps. If we have to add a step here, add from template. If you want to template, if you created from the template from the enterprise here, then you can add from here. Suppose this one for the design, we can add from here. For the design, we can add from the template. This one, add it, assign. This is how you can add from the template this activity. And you can also have option to delete, move up or down, move up or down from here like that. And if you have the specific some like descriptions, refer to our corporate. This one description you can for that step. If you have why you incorporate and what are the comments, you can add by modifying here, by modifying from here, modify, and you can write anything from here now. And also you can print, copy, or paste from here. Print, when you will go to the print option here, you can print this description specifically by the printing. Copy also you can copy. This is copied now. And you can also, as I tell you, that copy and delete that step. First I will do just for the foundation works. I will do example here, and other you can add from up to end. I just do a major activities, then we will add the steps. I will do for the foundation work. For the construction, you can follow that as well. So add here a new step. What is the new step for the foundation works? First of all, we will do layout. After the layout, add one more. Also you can add this steps in activity from the template. You can add these in the template as well. After the layout excavation, after the excavation, then there are, if there are compaction or something, preparation, compaction, and then test also in the compaction. If you want to add as a test something like that, then steelworks. Then after the steelworks, formwork or shuttering. After the formwork, concrete pouring. After the concrete pouring, then curing. After the curing, then what is removal of formwork. Then bitumen coating. Then at the last, backfilling or leveling. Test is also involved in all the sections you can add. Then if these activity steps are completed, you can check by this one. If this is completed, then it will be accumulate here. Then also you have option to the specification or drawings. You can update from here, modify right here what is the specification, how deep excavation you required, how much compaction is you required, steelworks how much ton or something specification, bar bending schedule you can write here, material for, you can something if you want to write right here. Customize this one, then customize column steps, go to the journal and weight percent, okay, apply. This will be come here, weight percent and step percent complete, weight and weight percent, how much it will be cumulatively 100%, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 activities, 10 multiply by 10 is 100. If you add one more activity here, just apply and okay. Okay, if you want to add one more activity here, activity step here, then it will be divided by like that. You can see 9.1, it will be divided automatically. Weight percent complete is divided by automatically. So how much step weight is, how much 111. Now we will complete. If you want to change some step completes, then you have option to change the weight. Like layout is 1 and excavation, you can say no, I want to change by the 2, it will be automatically here. Okay, and you can say the pouring concrete is, it's time consumable, then I want as 5, it will be like that 5. And you can say this one is also 3, and form work also takes time. On behalf of, you can divide your percentage weightages like that, it will be changed here, but it cumulatively it will be automatically 100% here. So now how we will complete this one? If you have updated, suppose that this one is 100% completed, 100% completed, it will be completed here. Or suppose this excavation is 50% completed, when you are updating, update as a 50%, it will be not completed. If you click on here, it will be automatically 100%. This is how you can manage activity steps for your specific activities, and which steps are involved in your activity, that will mention here. And also create a template. If you want to new step, copy user defined field, okay, it will be a new template, this one. If we add for any other activities, suppose that here, and we will add this one, excavation, this will be activity which is selected, that activity will be to that part of this template, this one. This is how you can, from here you can also copy and paste the templates. Now how we can see our against the activity here without clicking on the activities, how we can say this activity is how much completed. Go to the columns and simply find here or go here the templates activity steps somewhere, find it number of activities or find it suppose as steps. Activity steps is second, this one, and open it. Step count here, completed, in progress, not started. Move to the end, in progress and not started. Apply and OK. Now you can see here the activity steps how it will. The 6 is here, 6 is here, the WS level 6 we assigned already. This 6 one, this one, these are 10 and this is one step. And how much has completed? Completed are 1, in progress not started 9, and in progress nothing because we have not started any. If you write here the 50%, then it will be show as a in progress. How it is works in Primavera Basics, and you can define like that. If you want to see the progress, you can have the option of the percent complete. Here you can activity percent complete and apply and OK. You can, whenever it will be completed, you will have assigned baselines and these resources. After that completion you can check from here, this one percent complete, and if the units and physical percent complete, performance percent complete, whatever you want you can add from here. It will be show after the you are assigning the resources, the work will be show here. Otherwise it will be 0 because I have not assigned the resources, that's why it will be 0. Hopefully this tutorial you understand very clearly what is the purpose of activity steps option and how we can works with the activity steps option with the smart schedule with the two short activities in here. But in the detail view we can add from here and we will manage by the our weightages also. If you have the cost, suppose this cost foundation works you have $1,000, then you can divide by that percentage and manage by the percentage weightages give like that 1%, 0.5% as well. If you want to give as a 0.5%, then you have option also 0.5%. It will be divided like that. That will be works like that 0.8 something, whatever you want, the completed will be here. And also you can, if we go to the activity steps, you can print that all window as well, shift down shift up, and here you can see print preview table fountain row. If you want to change that back view of the activity steps, you can change from here as well. Suppose that I want to add here bookman old style, bold italic and 12, okay. And row height I want 20, apply, okay. Now you can see here your steps backup background has been changed. Here you can group and sort like table and fountain row you can change here. And if you have too many active steps you can find from here, and print preview option is here. You can print only this activity steps window as well. This one is same like that. Please like, share and comment on our videos. And if you have any contents related to project management, planning or whatever related to the construction, whichever you think that this is helpful for the other engineers and you want to share through our platform, let us know. Please contact us and we will guide you how you can record that tutorial and the same tutorial we will share with your name on our platform. We will provide you a platform and your content with your name I will share, and we have our team will go through and check your tutorials. If they are okay and there is no copyright claims, then we will share through our platform. Contact us for any guidance, for any issue, for planning, for project management, any other issue related to the project management. We are here for help you peoples. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.